Maintaining the exterior of your home may be just as important as the interior to avoid any problems and therefore costly repairs. Clean out your eaves troughs and downspouts. Leaves, debris, and general grime can easily clog your gutters, which can prevent proper drainage. Inspect your sprinkler system. Broken equipment can lead to patchy lawn watering and dry spots. Maintain your windows. Cleaning and resealing windows can help save money on heating and cooling costs. Wash outdoor furniture. Take the time to pressure wash your outdoor furniture to extend their life and get rid of those cobwebs. Fertilize your lawn. Plan to fertilize your lawn at least twice a year in early spring and early fall to see it healthy and green. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.